Welcome, my fellow learners. I'm your friend Nabil, a simple software engineer. In my daily life, I actively contribute in engineering enterprise grade applications. If you are a student or a person shifting to the programming domain and you have zero understanding of what programming is, then this course is just for you. I have curated this course in such a way that every novice beginner alien to programming can easily understand what they have learned and actually apply it. So, in this course, you won't be just consuming YouTube videos, but you will be actually learning them. This course will be a series of short videos with only one motive, and that is to help you understand programming, specifically Java. In the end of each video, I will be providing you a free document. Yes, you heard that right. A free, completely free document from my side where I will be providing you the summary of that particular video in illustrative means. You will have diagrams, pictures, and whatnot, so that when you do hands-on coding and you get stuck, you will get stuck, trust me. When you do hands-on coding and get stuck, it is easier for you to get to that document and recall rather than going into the complete video. So come on, my fellow learners, let us jump into this arena of programming and make ourselves the Java warriors.